Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm coming to y'all to show y'all two, and let me say, two DIY projects. One is a picture frame, and one isn't. So I'm gonna show y'all, before I show y'all the tray, I'm gonna show you the picture frame. So the picture frame at first was a plain glass picture frame. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to revamp it, make it a little more glamour, more beautiful and stuff. And this is what I came up with. So yeah, so you have the back. This is the back. And what you need a plain glass picture frame. You will need E6000 glue. You will need the oh my god, let me make sure I say this. The sir that's the crystal sheets AB sheets. They usually look something like when they are not cut up, they look like a whole piece like this to give you that glittery look. So yeah, so I took these pieces and I actually glammed up and like because they was already cut and everything, and I found pieces that worked for it, and it looks gorgeous. So this is what it looks like if you can see it and stuff. I might go back and add a few little pieces over here on the side and at the bottom, but I just think they turned out pretty well. So let me hear from y'all. Do this give you a Z Gallery feel or not? So yeah, that's that. And the other thing I end up doing, I had this square. You can get these things at Walmart in the craft session, and you don't have to do them how I did them. But what I did, I had turned it into a tray, but I got to get some hooks. So that's one, and I put four mirrors in them, and I put a little this silver base under it. And this silver base, you can use it as lettering and stuff. You can do whatever you want. And what I did is I took the little crystals, the pieces that was already I had already cut up, just cut them a little more, and get them cut down to what I want, and put pieces in the corner. And I made some strips for the mirror, just for the sides of mirrors that I wanted to be shown, and then put a piece in the middle. I'm thinking about adding a little more, but I give it a little. It's a little more glam feel to it, but I love it. It turned out pretty well, but I got to. But those are that's it. But I have one project I'm still working on. But let me just tell you that I can give you a sneak peek of what the basis of them look like, and everything for that project, everything came except for the two pieces I just showed you. Everything for the pirate project I am working on at the moment came from Dollar Tree. So let me just show you the pieces that are finished for this one particular project that I'm working on. This is what they're looking like. And so we have the little piece. I'm trying to think if I should go back and add some more up to about here. I might do that. And this is how it looks. This is how this one looks. And this is how this one looks. To me, I'm doing my version of a Z Gallery project, and like some of the paint has came off, so I might have to go back and just spray it in the middle, and that's it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of the sneak peek of that particular DIY project, but show you some DIY projects I have gotten. And I say I'm obsessed with Z Gallery, and I like to do things that are the gallery inspired by the brand, not things I see on there, but inspired by the brand. So if you like how I do my DIY projects, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.